We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a 2008 Ford F-250 Power Stroke. It is a diesel engine and we just set it up with a remote start alarm. The 1 mile pager, lock, unlock, full security, remote start. Now when we hit the remote start, the remote will whistle and it'll send the command, and it will hold the ignition for about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds it will crank the engine and fire up all the way. The remote start alarms are available for both gas and diesel. You can come by the shop. We are open 10 to 6 Monday to Saturday, closed on Sunday. 1 mile pager, remote start alarm, lock and unlock, full security. This one's all set and ready to go, and we'll see you guys on the next one.